you can't hide behind the barrel or up in the barrel. You blast that shit all the time. All right. You guys need 3 medics. Who are they going to be?
I'll be a medic.
1, 2.
I got it.
Right here. 3. All right. Here's how it works, guys. Listen up. All right. As a medic, you can go up to a wounded player when you're shot, when you're wounded. Put up your gun. All right. Sit down and yell out, "Medic!" Be loud. All right. If they can't hear you, they're not going to come to you. You're medic. Guys, medic. No one's going to come. All right. Yell it out. Be loud. Make sure you echo it. Make sure teammates. Make sure the medics know. Okay. You're going to come up. You're going to put your hand on his shoulder. You're going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now 10. It's okay. It's a solid 10 count. If I see you do it too quickly, I'll make you do it again. All right. A medic, and only a medic, is allowed to move a wounded player. Okay. You can put your hand on his shoulder and say, "Hey, move with me. Get back to a new location. Okay, behind cover, and then start your countdown there. All right. Also, medics can revive other medics. So if you're hit as a medic, it's crucial you get medical attention yourself so that you can come back in the game. Yes.
What if you're moving a player and you're both shot at the same time?
If you get hit, you hit. As a medic,
Okay.
you get hit,
Yeah.
regardless if you're moving him or not. All right. But you gotta be careful about where you guys go. If you guys are out in the middle of like a bush or out by that half wall and you get shot and you're calling for a medic, you're really just risking your medic. All right. If he has the guts to come and get you and thinks he can be safe, then he will. But if you sit there for like 5 minutes, I'm just gonna call a bleed out timer. Okay. Cool. At about the 5-minute mark, meaning about 15-minute long game, so once 10 minutes have passed and there's 5 minutes left, you will have no more medics, period, at that point, okay? So I will call it out, you guys will know well enough in advance that that point's approaching, all right? So you want to revive as many people as you can by that point, got you? Yeah.
How long is the bleed out?
It's pretty much my discretion, but if you've been sitting there for like most of the game, just sitting there, then I'm just going to call you out, right? Or if I know a medic's not going to get to you, because also I don't want a medic to try and get to you if I know it's going to hurt the rest of the team, so I'll kind of use my discretion. But roughly 5 minutes. Any questions from anybody? Anything
Where can I
else?
be with this?
Sure.
Anywhere but inside of one of the buildings. Full auto is allowed everywhere out here. Semi-auto only inside of those buildings. Otherwise you're fine.
Not even burst?
Not inside the building, no. Cool. Chilling. Aight. Set up.
Aight.
Ah, yet.
Yeah.
Kill. Alright, get your position.
Let's go, guys.
Set up. I recommend
I'm a medic.
I am. Who's our third?
I don't know.
Hey, who's the third medic?
Third medic, get over here.
You? Okay.
You guys gotta be like gods.
Let's give it a sec, see where everybody goes, and then we'll just split up sections.
Yeah, one
Okay.
there, one here, and then one over there.
That sounds good.
If you guys get hit as a medic, you'll medic fast. Then we'll know
Okay.
that it's a medic down, okay?
Sounds good.
Medic fast for medic down.
Medic fast. Okay. All right.
Got it?
Cool.
Alright.
Let's do it.
I can take this side if you want. Okay.
Where do you want?
I'll go wherever. It's probably gonna be
same.
more action kind of around here. It's up to you.
Okay.
I would say who's going over there?
Why you are at random places at random times, so we actually can move quickly. Exactly.
Okay, yeah. They'll probably need more guys over here anyways.
Yeah.
More medics.
But I'll bump out, or you can bump out if things get hot over there.
Okay.
Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no! Chief Gear was not able to hold on.
What happened?
Stand by! Team is live in 3, 2, 1!
Get good crossfire.
Go off, who's coming on the left side, alright?
It's not going to be completely in, but it's
Hey, before you shoot, wait them to get close! Copy?
Copy.
Bang! 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 Bang!
It fell off.
Did you just record that?
probably just gonna go out with my pistol out, and then I can cover people well.
Alright. You're welcome to bounce over there. I'll probably stick around here.
Okay, yeah.
Let's go! Game is on! What are you doing? You have 15 minutes to take it! Yeah, we got 3 left!
Is that a Mad Bull front end you got on there?
I mean, it's one of the many.
Am I filming, by the way? Is it like flashing?
Yeah, you're filming.
Cool. Thanks.
I wouldn't hang out.
Left side 3!
You guys good in here? Alright. What?
Hey Jeff, who's our medic? It's got it.
I'm a medic.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Right here. I need it.
Right there.
On this corner. Stay low. Run in.
Cover me. In there.
Right.
Yep. That's what I'm here for. Oh shit.
You don't want to stay that. They get on that rock, they're gonna shell you.
Where are they firing at?
Oh, dude, oh, wait, never mind, that's not.
Medic, come here!
Where? Where is he?
Hey, get a medic at the wall over here!
You got it? He's got it.
Medic! Hey, stay down. Hey, lay down. On the floor. Like, lay down. Hey, medic, get over here. Hurry up. Stay low.
You're good. Yep.
Hey, die. Just, like, on the ground.
On the ground?
Move this way. They can still shoot through these bushes. Come on. Right here.
These should be thick enough. Bushes.
I don't even know where they are though. That's the thing. It's so hard to see them.
Yeah. It's easier to see them from the...
There are a ton of them coming from that way. That's the thing I'm scared about.
Yeah. Cover me.
Go.
Where?
Right around this corner.
Where? Where is he?
What?
Who's down?
No one's done.
We're good.
This is low crawl.
You good?
Stay low. Cut through back right here.
Alright.
Hey,
You got a belly
medic
crawl.
needs cover though.
Cover me. Oh God. I'm just trying to stay not get hit. I'm a medic too, so is it working? Is it your mag? They're going left! Hey, you guys good in that building? Is everybody good in there? All right. Cover me, guys.
Yeah,
Yeah. Ten, you're good. You hit?
Cop, crossing.
Okay. What? One up there? Oh shit. Hey, did your other medic get hit?
Are you out?
No. I'm good. Cover me. Where?
Right here. You're okay. You're okay. 1, 2, 3. Gonzo, they're at your 2 o'clock. Coming up hard.
You're good. Oh shit. Hit!
Medic fast!
Medic fast! Medic fast! 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're good. Good. Hey, you guys good in here? Yeah.
Medic! You good?
I'm good.
Come get me. We're both down.
What?
We're both down.
Oh, both down?
Stay tight, stay tight, stay tight, stay tight, stay tight against me. 2, 3, 4, 10. Hey, bud, you down? He's down.
Oh, hit.
Get out!
Ah,
Get out! Get out!
you good?
Get out!
Hold on.
He's out! He's out! He's out! He's hit! He's hit!
Okay, save me.
I'm not a medic. Walk you. 2 of them
No,
are
that's
dead
fine.
already.
Thanks, bro. I got you.
30 seconds.
Get out of here.
Yeah. Where?
Right here.
Thank you so much, bro. Just in time.
You're good.
Thank you.
Yep. It was because you were calling loud. Oh shit.
Hey, lots of ricochets. Back here by the schools, there's a lot of guys. I just saw a lot of them move up.
Really? Oh,
That's when the street gets on.
oh shit. I don't know we're safe right now.
I know.
Hey, right here in this corner is really safe, by the way.
Really?
The safest place in this house, because
I can't say shit.
I'm it.
Shit. Cover me, I gotta get to him. Excuse me?
I don't think
There's a guy out right there. Who's it?
Yeah, Frankie, I know you shot me on purpose. Oh shit! That was close.
Hit! Medic fast!
You're out, bud.
Out! Completely out?
Yeah, that was stupid.
Ah, there's no point in getting shot anymore.
Oh, hit. Let him out, 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 let him out. Don't be a wiener. Load it up in. Don't be a wiener. 3 minutes! 3 minutes! 3 minutes! Make a push to that barrel!
I knew it. I shouldn't stay there.
Same.
That guy in the black t-shirt, as you just saw there, he defends against the whole enemy team trying to put tennis balls into that barrel that you see. He defends against this by tucking himself into that corner that you saw there. And he just sits there and hides under cover and shoots anyone that would move up to try to get that those tennis balls into the barrel. I forgot to mention earlier that we were playing a game where you have to take tennis balls, the attacking team has to take tennis balls and try to get them into that barrel. If they don't, then the other team wins. If they do, however, then they win. So medics are used like for 5, maybe 10 minutes of this game before medics cut off and you can't use medics anymore. So this guy did amazingly well without any medics to help him. Heck, he was the last person on his team, and he managed to defend against these guys coming and getting the tennis balls into that barrel. So he did remarkably well. Great guy. I had a great time after that match. I thought I filmed the whole thing. I was so enthusiastic. If I have a version on the computer anywhere that's the full thing, I will certainly let you guys know. But until then, I will see you guys later, I guess. I will either shoot you guys on the battlefield, or I will run us alongside my brothers in arms in the next match. So until then, Tactical Response Airsoft signing off. Shoot at you or run alongside you. See you guys later.